Dark Side X.
Is he in it? Oh yeah, I'm recording. I'm gonna fucking post it and tag him.
Fuck it.
Let's fucking do it, dude. First place. Let's go.
See, might use a different gun.
Dude, I'm telling you, I really dig this Uzi, man. I'm gonna level this baby up 5 out of 5.
Trying this tac Q.
It's so quick that
Cutthroat.
yes, and how you can run real quick and snap back to the weapon.
You're taking the lead.
He just stood there. He just stood there and took it. There's another one running in though. Nice.
Come back, Columbo.
He's in the plane. Another one in the plane. In the middle.
I need that shit that silences your footsteps. I'm trying to unlock it right now.
Contact!
Get him. Nice.
Did somebody kill him?
Yep.
No, you did.
You did. No, it's that raptor.
No, I didn't kill him.
Popped up. Well, I just mean on the
Oh, I'm
text.
down. On me. Sniper.
10 seconds
Go your
remaining.
back, Nick.
Killed me. TX. TXL.
Oh, he's through here.
Bro,
He's in there.
fucking lame.
He's in there. Get a nade in there. Right behind him.
Ah, shit!
Nice.
We're looking back at each other.
Good shit.
Fucking fags.
In the zone, man.
Out everything. That's how they like to win. We know. They're gonna sit in corners.
Did you see the Snoop?
Look at
Those are
that
the
shit.
Snoop crack ones.
Oh, I saw the marijuana leaves.
He's getting
Yeah.
old.
Cutthroat.
Yeah.
You guys killed a YouTuber though, so that's good.
Alright, let's fuck these motherfuckers. Wow.
Here, that's here.
Watching right over here, baby. Uh-oh. They're hiding in corners, dog.
Not two.
Who's down? Who's down?
No, we just got someone. Ooh, shit, sniper coming.
Changing
One
mags.
dead.
Grenade out.
Oh, fuck, he's out front. He just finished me.
One enemy team
Shit.
has been eliminated.
Got him.
Fucking nailed me with that nade.
On me.
Moving here.
I think you're the last.
10 seconds.
Oh, it's 1v1 too. That should get him up. It's about to be over. You gotta go in there.
Yeah, he's,
Oh,
in the,
gosh.
he's going to the
He's
flag.
in the corner.
He's in the flag.
No! You fucking bitch!
Nice.
Pussy.
Freaking
Oh,
screwed.
they're talking shit.
That was me. I said pussy. Nice.
Burping the mic is gonna work.
Switching sides.
I don't know how to do that.
Yes, sir. Cutthroat.
I haven't did that in fucking forever. I'm surprised you remember that shit. I used to do it at like, yeah, I used to do it on the last day of work, like in the last couple hours of the day. And it was like a signal. It was almost over.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Grenade out.
Oh, they're all up in this fucking over here. Fuck. They're in that house.
30 seconds remain.
Careful, man.
Oh yeah, I hear him. Yep.
Upstairs.
Grenade.
I don't know how I just got that kill.
Shoot me
10 seconds
again.
remaining.
Squad eliminated. Get in here.
They're on the flag. They're on the flag.
I'm flash.
Overtime.
Ooh, nice. Oh, nice. He was coming up behind us too to try to look in that window.
Yeah, I heard it.
Switching sides.
Fuck this.
I need to get all my fucking perks, man. I got the shittiest classes for this.
Yeah, I'm just running a stock fucking 3 out of 5.
Switching mags.
Yeah.
He's probably up in this. No, that guy was chasing me that you were shot out. I bet you he's in this house though. Like a little bitch. I saw him using a sniper last round. He's trying to snipe in there.
Oh, dude, behind
30
me!
seconds left.
Spawn, they're at the spawn.
Coming.
Relax. My hellborn parasite will heal you.
Right here.
Changing mags.
He's had time, damn.
I'm taking fire. Grenade!
Oh, I'm in the plane, on the spawn, on the flag. Camping on the flag.
10 seconds. One enemy team has been eliminated.
Grenade in there, get a nade in there.
Good shit,
We
good
got
shit.
sandwich.
Get fucked with that fucking pack MQ.
Headshot.
That's the last one, Les.
I thought Rob was gonna
Switching sides.
No, I died right.
Right in your forehead.
You got me out, and then I died again.
Grenade out.
They're scared, dog. They're fucking scared. They're for sure in that house. Watch your back over there.
One enemy team has been
Squad
eliminated.
eliminated.
30 seconds remain.
Let's take this fucking middle.
In here, I got one.
Switching mags.
Oh, he's behind you, sniping.
Down.
Boy, I'm rain
Still one in here,
hellfire
still one in here.
on you.
There's two in there actually, there's still two. One on each side of the building.
10 seconds remaining.
Shit, get him.
Nice, dude.
Nice comeback.
Oh, that was a comeback, wasn't it?
That was a game. Yeah, I think we were down.
Yeah, we were down, yeah.
Wait, that was the game?
Yeah, that's a game.
Nice.
Game right there. We all did good. Goddamn.
Just throw my prox mine
9 and
out
3.
there.
Get
We all
fucked.
went, yeah, we all went positive.
Get fucked, motherfuckers!
Hey, you two dude didn't even get a single fucking round.
Damn. I got it on, I recorded that. We can expose him. We can expose him.
Have you guys ever heard of Kostiv?
No.
I would have run into that guy in here. He's a YouTuber, but all he does is troll motherfuckers on here. It's the funniest shit ever.
No, never heard of him.
I like him already.
Dude, he fucks people up. His name on here is like Long Dragon Dwight or Dwight Lou. You don't really use Kostiv because people recognize him.
Oh, dude, I finally got the sneakers unlocked. Covert sneakers for boots.
What level are you guys? 50 and
50.
41?
You actually have to choose the order of your daily unlocks, though. I don't know if you knew that. You have to put them in queue of what you want, like first, second, and third.
Bro, I had no clue what I was doing there. I wanted to get that DG58, and I had to do that, I think. I had to
Yeah,
do
you gotta
like
click it to
dailies.
make it first. It's all dailies. All them fucking things are daily. They don't just randomly choose them if you don't choose them yourself.
That Bass P, though, I'm telling you, that thing's a fucking monster, guys. That's what I use that whole last fucking game. That DG58's a beast, too, and I kind of like the Holger assault rifle.
After I clean myself.
Yeah, I like that Bass one too. I used. I use that TAC Q marksman rifle.
Yeah, I'm digging this game mode.
I get.
Pretty competitive.
I'm gonna try something dumb here. Using the lever action.
Dude, I love me a lever.
This is gonna be a mistake. I got a scope on it, too.
Fuck. Oh, iron sights. Gotta go all the power.
Wow, this is cool. What's this?
Oh, I've been here. This is a nice level. Play it.
Okay.
Oh, the
Really dumb.
You're not through yet!
Lagging for a second.
Switching back!
Cashed up.
I'm reloading!
You owe me some chin rubs for that.
Oh, I'm silent as hell, dude. Even booking it.
One enemy team has been eliminated. 30 seconds remain.
Oh, I remember this level. I like this one.
There's right around this corner. Don't look around the corner. Right to the right looking. They're already sniping over there.
Oh,
I just
God
told you,
damn.
motherfucker, come over here.
Come here.
I had to test it. All right, man.
Yeah, you had to get burned. I understand. But at least I told you to be ready, I
Hey guys,
guess.
come here. I'm on flag.
Oh,
Good news, I
Oh,
got in my
shit.
root beer.
Oh, nice. Yeah, these guys fucking suck, dude. They're gonna throw a nade in here.
Taking effective fire! Don't worry, I've got you!
What's up, motherfucker?
nada, ni ayer en la bandera, no manches.
Get shitted on, hombre.
Get it on, no.
Clap with those chicks, fucking bitch. Clap with those chicks, fucking bitch.
Look at you jumping. What is that, a jumping jalapeno?
Clap with those chicks, fucking bitch. Mama huevo.
I'll be back in a few minutes. I gotta go pick up some food.
Fucking jelly beans.
Alright.
Let's make it
I'm down
Crawl,
one.
crawl,
Down one
crawl.
back there.
win. And you
How
give me
close are they?
tummy rubs.
Oh, shit, good shit. No, no.
Pick me up. Pick
Coming.
me up. I'm good. I'm good.
He's inside. He's inside. I'm going in. Got you.
Kill two.
Full up and
There's
ready to
another
go!
one.
Right here. On me. Out two out here. On me.
Done now!
They're outside this door.
There's two over there I just shot, too.
Like reflexes there.
They're flanking us.
Yep. I'll two outside. Flank the hard.
I'm taking fire!
You hit. I'll lick your wounds to help arise.
10 seconds.
I'm
Don't
coming
look out
around.
there.
Coming around. Come pick me up. Hurry up.
Where you at?
They're around the corner. They're around the corner.
I'm back to 100!
Yep, right there. There's one.
I'm reloading!
Sniper.
Stun grenade out!
Good shit, good shit.
Nice.
No lo quitaron,
I
güey.
fucking damaged him with a grenade in his head.
Switching sides.
Chingue su madre el vato, chingue su madre el vato.
Oh. He's mad.
Freeze, chili choker, pepper belly.
Enemy in the area!
Best not to turn your laser sight on. Might not see me the rest of the match.
Oh, there he is.
He's on us. He's coming in. Yep, they're right outside.
No, there's two in there. What a little bitch, dude.
No.
Actually, there's three in there. I'm an idiot.
30 seconds remain.
I know, I saw him. He's in there. He's in that door. Watch out, watch out. He's in that door.
She just cocked. No, right there. I got him with a smoke or a stun. He's stunned right now.
I have to
10
wait.
seconds remaining.
Yeah, he's right behind the counter, Gerard. Oh, he's gonna come to you. There! Oh! No way. Are you serious?
Clap with the chicks, fucking bitch.
I hope you win.
Chingue su madre, chingue.
Oh my god.
Get fucked.
Oh,
Get
shit,
fucked.
they're right there,
It's not
Oh, they're mad. I'm down too. They're all in here.
You'll make it!
Grenade! Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. They're mad as fucking hell, dog. I'm down. We pinged them.
30 seconds left.
Alright, what the fuck? This guy's rolling deep on us. Get him. I think they ganged up on us is what happened. They're both Mexican. They're both Mex.
Where they at, guys? Where they at?
10 seconds.
flag, I'm on flag, I'm on flag. Where you guys at?
We're dead.
Huh? What?
Yeah, we're dead. Get it, get it, get it, get it. That's the win. That's the win.
All about you. But
No mames. Putas. Que chingue su madre el Raptor, que chingue su madre el Raptor.
Pinga, puto.
Que chingue su madre el Raptor, que chingue su madre el Raptor.
Oh, man. They were so bad.
They had to be. Fuming. Fuming.
I can't hear him on Xbox if I'm in
Dude,
a
I
Discord
recorded
party.
that. I recorded
Really?
I recorded that.